Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Asghar. I hail from Pakistan, currently residing in the charming town of Kamalia. I can speak English. मैं उर्दू बोल सकता हूँ ते पंजाबी मेरी मादरी जुबान है. मेरी my skills as a teacher include writing and translation. As a writer, I write weekly blog which publishes on a prestigious Urdu website. As per translation, I have translated 2 books, and right now I am working on bringing Drida's grammatology to Urdu readers. My qualification include PhD in Urdu, for which I am writing thesis. Previously, I have done masters in English. My work experience includes I am a lecturer at a government graduate college, Kamalia, here in Kamalia. And what do you want to expect in class? I believe in immersive teaching. So in class, we'll dissect sentence structures, we'll delve into vocabulary, daily Urdu vocabulary, and we'll do immersive exercises which will make you easy Urdu speaker in your daily life. So my specialization is both in spoken Urdu as well as teaching literature, both poetry and prose. So this is my introduction. Thank you for watching my introduction video. And if you are interested, we can talk more in trial class. Book a trial lesson with me. We'll talk more about it. Thank you.